Okay, all you smarty pants. This lesson this week is pretty easy. We're comparing adjectives. And when you compare two adjectives, you put the ER at the end of the adjective. Okay, so like big, bigger. Okay, when you're comparing three different items, that's when you use the EST at the end of the word. Okay, so an example would be big. That's my adjective, right? Bigger, I'm adding ER. That's the suffix ER at the end of the word, bigger. And then I'll add the suffix EST if I'm comparing three things. Okay, watch real quick.
Big, bigger, biggest.
Three items.
Small,
Small,
smaller,
smaller,
smallest. Big, bigger, biggest. Small, smaller, smallest.
Okay, so I think you get the idea. When we're comparing two things, we use the suffix ER. When we're comparing more than two, three or more, then we use the suffix EST. All right, so let's take a look at our worksheet. Today, you're just sorting out those words. So the ones that have the suffix for two items is ER. So I'm going to look up here. I see my second word is colder. So yeah, the first adjective would be cold. Then we're going to compare two places. Alaska is colder than Ridgecrest. Okay, so cold, colder. And then if I were to have three or more, let's say the North Pole is coldest of them all. Okay, so when you're comparing two things using an adjective, you're adding the suffix ER. If you're comparing three or more, it's the suffix EST. All right, so that should be pretty easy sorting out your words depending on what the suffix is at the end of them. Remember, these are adjectives. All of them are describing words, okay? So down here at the bottom, you are looking for, it says circle the spelling word the words that are antonyms. Ooh, antonyms are the opposite, okay? So you're looking for two words down here that are the opposite of each other, okay? Synonyms are the same, but antonyms are opposite and they want antonyms. So make sure you're finding the words that are the opposites. Okay, guys, that's pretty easy. Have fun.